Tired of feeling exhausted and burnt out? Are you one of those people who hit the snooze button multiple times each morning? If so, you're not alone. But there's a sleep expert who's dedicated her life to spreading the gospel of the power nap, and her name is Tricia Hersey. Tricia Hersey is a sleep and wellness expert, author, and founder of the Nap Ministry. She's on a mission to change the way we think about napping and to show us how taking a nap can improve our mental and physical health. Tricia believes that napping should be a fundamental part of our daily routine, just like eating and sleeping at night. In fact, she argues that napping should be seen as a form of self-care, rather than a luxury or a waste of time. The Nap Ministry is a social enterprise that provides nap-positive spaces where people can come and recharge their batteries. Tricia believes that napping should be a communal experience, and the spaces provided by the Nap Ministry are designed to foster a sense of community and promote relaxation and rejuvenation. Whether you're a busy professional or a student, these spaces offer a welcome escape from the chaos of daily life and provide a chance to recharge and refresh. If you enjoy taking naps, subscribing to this channel can provide you with valuable insights on how to live a healthier life. So do it now. Tricia's work has been featured in various media outlets, including the New York Times, Forbes, and The Guardian. She's also the author of Rest is Resistance, a Manifesto, a book that explores the science behind napping and provides tips and techniques to help readers get the most out of their naps. Tricia draws on her own experience as well as research to show how napping can improve memory, productivity, and overall well-being. She also provides practical advice on how to incorporate napping into your daily routine, and how to optimize your naps for maximum benefits. In conclusion, Tricia Hersey is a champion of the power nap, and through the Nap Ministry, she's spreading her message to the masses. Napping is often seen as a lazy or unproductive activity, but Tricia is challenging this notion and showing us that napping can have real benefits for our mental and physical health. So why not give it a try and see for yourself? Who knows, you may just become a convert to the nap movement.